Since my last Cricut decided to stop working completely, it was time for an upgrade. Hi, my name is Cassandra, and here's my unboxing video. I decided to go with the Cricut Explore 3 because really all I do is make stickers, and also it was on sale. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I wish it was. So Cricut, if you're watching, please email me. Thank you. Also, I do wish they were made in a purple color to go with my workspace, but beggars can't be choosers, so I am grateful that I have this one. And this cute mint color is really starting to grow on me. So let's set it up and connect it to my iPad. So if you're new to this, let me show you how I do it. Make sure to download the Cricut app and click on the three lines on the top left. Then click on Machine Setup, and then just follow the directions it gives you. And don't forget to make sure that your Bluetooth is on. And then after a while, you can select your Cricut machine. It wants me to do a little test beforehand, so let's get on with it. One thing I did notice about this machine is that it is faster and quieter than my last one. So now I'm going to try to cut my sticker sheet. But I got a notification that I needed to calibrate my machine first. Easy peasy. Now it's time to cut my stickers. It did an amazing job, and I'm really happy with the results. But really, I am just happy with a working Cricut machine now. So thank y'all so much for watching me unbox my new Cricut machine and using it for the first time. If you're interested in this machine, it's the Cricut Explore 3. I got mine off of Amazon, so I'll make sure to link that below in the description.